Great one for you to be commenting on along with Joe. You're licensed in the state where this is happening. This guy is a mess. With all these cases, he is in a world of trouble, but it looks like his attorneys are going to fight all of these cases. I mean, it's not like he's just looking at one. I mean, he's looking at numerous criminal cases and numerous civil lawsuits. John Mobley, your overall take on Alex Murdaugh and all that he's being accused of, please.
Well, Julie, I got to call it like I see it. Any comments on this case, that's a lot to unpack. I do think, and I've said this before regarding all the cases being defendant, I don't believe there's any intent for him to go to trial on all the cases. I think that the only one they're really going to fight is the murder. I mean, he's accused of killing his wife and his son. He didn't want that stain on his record and reputation. He's admitted all the financial crimes. With murder, he's facing life in prison. It's my opinion that in the end, irrespective of what happened in this trial, there's going to be, what's called a global resolution, which means he pleads to everything at one time for a certain number of years. I will tell you regarding the issues in today's hearing, I think it's just more grandstanding by the defense. I mean, he's got some great lawyers, Dick and Jim, they're great lawyers. I know both guys. But I mean, what they're requesting in today's hearing is just not really allowed or provided for in South Carolina State Court. I mean, they've requested something called a bill of particulars, which is not provided for in South Carolina State Court. In South Carolina State Court, there's something called Criminal Rule of Procedure 5, and that's the rule that governs discovery between the prosecution and the defendant in a criminal case. It says, hey, the person charged with the crime, the prosecution has to give the names of the witnesses, the police reports, experts, etc. So far in this case, I mean, the prosecutors have given them well above and beyond anything that the rules provide for in this case. But despite that, what you've seen when I talk about the posturing in this case is his attorneys have been very aggressive with filing their motions, giving press conferences, filing motions saying they want a speedy trial, filing motions saying they want their discovery, filing motions saying they don't have enough discovery. And now they've made this motion for a bill of particulars. So
Appreciate it,
let's kind
John.
of see what happens.
John.